How to create a new line on WhatsApp web. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can create a new line on your WhatsApp. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up any of your web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. Then at the top search bar, type in www.web.whatsapp.com. You will see WhatsApp web and get logged into your WhatsApp account. Now open up any chat that you would like to do so. Now in order to create a new line, let's go ahead and add some text. Then click on to shift and then enter. As you do so, it will create you a new line. Let's go ahead and try it again. First of all, you have to press on to shift and then enter. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.